Do you ever feel like your energy and your drive just aren't what they used to be?
You've tried the usual stuff like hitting the gym, but nothing really moves the needle, right?
What if the biggest thing holding you back is a common mineral deficiency everyone completely overlooks?
Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the zinc secret to help you naturally get your edge back. This essential mineral is a critical ingredient your body absolutely needs to produce testosterone right in the testes. But a huge portion of guys are genuinely deficient, especially athletes, older men, and plant-based dieters. Food is your best starting point. Oysters are legendary, but red meat, beans, and pumpkin seeds work. If you supplement, 15 to 30 milligrams is solid, but crucially, never go over 40 milligrams daily. Next up is your sleep. Most of your testosterone is literally made while you're sleeping. Normal aging brings a slow decline, but the impact of bad sleep is massive and immediate. Sleeping under 5 hours for just 1 week can slash your testosterone levels by up to 15%. To protect those hormones naturally, you absolutely need to aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep.
Want to cut through the hype and take back control? Hit subscribe for more of this explainer.
Now, let's talk about stress. It's a silent saboteur because high cortisol levels actively crush your testosterone. Fight back daily. Try resistance training, meditation, or just a simple 20-minute walk to lower that cortisol. Clinical trials even show natural supplements like ashwagandha can reduce stress and help elevate your testosterone levels. But zinc doesn't work alone. It needs a reliable support crew of key nutrients like vitamin D and magnesium. In one trial, deficient men taking vitamin D saw an incredible 20% increase in their testosterone. Magnesium is like a key. It literally unlatches testosterone from proteins, making it bioavailable and active for you. Boost your magnesium naturally by loading your plate with plenty of spinach, nuts, and beans. Giving your body these raw materials creates an incredible, long-term synergistic effect for your overall vitality. So, what's your experience with these natural boosters? Drop your story in the comments below.